Put the crosshairs on it.
Put it against your shoulder.
I can't. I'm not tall enough. Squatting down. If I put it against my shoulder, it's gonna be up.
Might knock your teeth out. But...
Alright, she's ruining the setup.
You're knocking everything off.
And then I'll give it to Kyle.
Oh, she hit it.
Oh!